All the rows are done, and now I can do my band. But I messed up. The longest piece I had, the one and only long piece I had, I ended up cutting it. So I have two pieces here. I would love to have this long stretch, one piece, but what I'm gonna end up doing is putting these together as tight as I possibly can and hope that you'll never notice it. I definitely will, but oh well. I'm not gonna go get another bundle just for that. To start, I'm just gonna rip off this section here so I can get a nice flat piece, and then I will rip it to 1.5 inches, 3/4 plus 3/4, 1.5 inches. And it's worth noting here to obviously not have this be the top of your band, because this will sit on the edge like that, and then you'll have a gap. So start with a rip right here, so you have plenty of material to sit on that 3/4, and then I'll go 1.5 inches from there. So I'm going to sand these all down on the bench before I install them. I'll do the top, and I will do the face, maybe even a little bit on the bottom. Before I go cutting these, I am going to use my router to just put a slight bevel on this on the outside. Just something to take away the sharpness. .45 here. Got a 45 here. It might just make it. See a test fit. Perfect. That's gonna look good. Okay, we'll see the other side. Very nice. And then down here, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end it there and then put a piece in. Oh well. Put this piece in first. I'm gonna add some glue to it, why not? And then I'm gonna nail it from the face. That's not what I wanted. I'm just having a day. Man, this stuff, it's just hard. Why did I have to pick like the hardest domestic wood available? I'm gonna put screws in because that is kind of cracking right there. So I'm just gonna do one right here. So just be a little bit bigger of a hole to fill, but I underestimated how hard this stuff is. I just broke this screw. So I gotta do a bigger drill bit and go at an angle. I'm getting annoyed. Straight in with a bigger drill bit. I'll put some glue on the 45 and along here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Not gonna look good as a single piece, but it'll look good. So I'm definitely happy with the way this came out. I'm not super excited about stuff like this, but this stuff has such a high density that I had no other option than to put these screws in. And another thing you could do is, if you had the forethought, to pre-drill it and then put plugs in. But sometimes that doesn't even look that great. I'm gonna be filling it with my own wood filler. And just as a note, if you're gonna be staining something like this, when you use wood filler, it doesn't accept stain the same way as the actual wood will, and these spots will probably be highlighted. I'm just gonna do a poly over it, but just keep that in mind if you're planning on staining it.